If the gator can't break the chokehold, its fate will be sealed. Just when all seems lost, it manages to free its head to launch a counterattack. With one of the most powerful bite forces in the animal kingdom, the gator's jaws clasp around the snake's throat with a vice-like grip. It's now a battle of wills. The first to flinch will surely die. With their lives hanging in the balance, neither challenger is willing to tap out. But eventually, the exhausted rivals retreat to their corners. Content to call this bout a draw,